Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a graph on Microsoft Excel. So open Excel, click on Insert. And here is the option for graph. There is a different type of graph. You can insert column or bar. Also you can select 2D, 3D, 2D bar or 3D bar column. Just select it. Now here guys, firstly you need some data to appear properly your graph. I'm creating some sample data. So as we can see, we have this sample data. Select it, your data, and insert and select now any type of chart. You can change style, you can change size, color, or select any combination of color. Here you can change this chart name. Once you make changes here, so it will reflect here. Once you double click on it, so in property you will find these all options: chart style, color, and here are some more options. You can insert data table, error bars, trend line, and legend. Similarly guys, you can insert different type of chart. Select your data, insert, and now you can select this 2D or 3D pie chart. Same process, you can make changes. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.